Hi guys, in this video we will discuss most frequently used tools in real-time software development lifecycle. We have a small announcement for you. In this channel we are going to create tutorials on Hadoop, Spark, Python, Talent, Shell script and many more videos along with free job interview tips. So don't forget to subscribe. Before jump into our actual topic, I want to share one interesting fact about these frequently used tools, why we should have good working knowledge. There was a survey that on these tools with basic knowledge, every working person spending averagely 25,000 active hours or 3 years of their lifespan, which is very high, right? Whereas the people who are having good working experience are spending only 1.5 year of their lifespan, which means they are saving almost 1.5 years of their lifetime. Hence, I strongly recommend you to learn these commonly used tools for your software development lifecycle. Let's begin. Number 1 is Putty. Putty is most popular open source tool on Windows for SSH or serial communication, which is used for connecting to the remote Linux system from the Windows machine. In many IT companies, the development environment are usually on remote Linux systems, while the developers use Windows as their local system. Hence, they required this Putty software to connect remote server. Putty is not limited to only Windows. You can also use this open source software on Linux or Mac OS. Number 2, WinSCP. WinSCP means Windows Secure Copy Protocol. WinSCP is an open source free FTP client for Windows. Its main function is for file transfer between a local and remote computer. Number 3, Git. Git is a open source distributed version control system. We can also call as DVCS. It is designed for coordinating work among programmers. We can use Git for tracking changes in source code during software development. Committing new changes, branching, merging, comparing past versions are all available with Git. Number 4, SQL. SQL is a structured query language used in programming and designed for data management and its operations held in RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. For example, we can use SQL in MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, Sybase, Postgre, and other databases. The syntax of SQL is commonly used in HQL, that is HighQL, and Spark SQL, which will be used in big data applications. Number 5, basic Unix commands. While working on real-time applications, many times we will work on Unix or Linux environment where we do not have GUI, graphical user interface, like Windows. Hence, we should use some basic Unix commands to create directories, files, and manage its permissions, etc. Number 5, Microsoft Office. I know many of you have already aware of MS Office. However, hands-on experience on Microsoft Outlook, Word, and Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint are much useful. Number 7, Notepad Plus Plus. Notepad Plus Plus is a free source code editor and it supports several languages. It allows working with multiple open files in a single window, whereas with Notepad software it is not possible. With Notepad Plus Plus, we can do many data filtration activities which is not possible with Notepad or MS Excel. Number 8, Computer Basics. Computer basics means here hardware configuration, different types of OS, etc. When we are working for any company, we should be aware of types of operating system and its configurations like motherboard, processor, number of cores, hard disk, and RAM, etc. Now, last but not the least, keyboard typing. Speed typing skills are always saves our time while working on computer. Hence, get these skills if you haven't. Many free tutorials are available in YouTube on these tools. You can go through it whenever you will have a time, or we will try to explain each tool in depth in our upcoming videos. Hope this information may be useful for you. Please like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.